All right, Nicky wants to keep going. He wants to press his luck. And for everybody as old as me, you remember that game show, right? Press your luck, no whammy, no whammy. So, Mr. Nick, close those eyes. Finger on the trackpad. Move it around. Move it around. What are we going to get? Oh, nope. Down, 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 down. Good?
Done.
Go down a little. Okay. All right. Common Panther would be good to finish this up. Let's see what we got.
So I'm the master, so let's see what I give you.
Okay.
Let's see.
All right, Master. Master of the Masters of the Universe. Do it. All
I
right.
did it. Oh. Did it. Okay, I'm scared. I'm going to put on the spinning streak. What? There you go.
Get out of here! Look at this!
Funny.
How are you doing it?
I'm the best. That's how.
Wow, look at him. He's so cool. Unbelievable. Nicky's unbeaten streak continues. Unbelievable with the rare Panther. Amethyst. Wow, he is cool looking. Unbelievable.
Yes.
Well done, son. Okay, moving on.